Today we're going to talk about a new SocialFi platform built on Sui and GiveRep. I'm going to show you how to get started with it and some of the opportunities that it presents. Take a look at their X profile. It says the reputation must flow. V1 coming soon. This is just a few weeks old, and this is similar to Kaido AI, which has been a very popular SocialFi platform as well. So if GiveRep is anything like it for Sui, then it presents potentially a really good opportunity to earn airdrops and other incentives without any capital, just by posting good content. So before we dive into GiveRep, please note nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So we're going to jump onto GiveRep, connect our X account, and test it out in a second. But first, Grok, tell me about GiveRep. It's a Web3 social finance platform built on Sui network designed to reward users for their online engagement and contributions. It focuses on creating a social reputation layer for crypto users by tracking interactions such as posts, comments, likes, and retweets on X. GiveRep aims to empower creators and contributors by providing tools to track engagement and build transparency, verifiable digital reputations. It rewards genuine social activity without relying on referral systems, making it appealing for those looking to grow influence organically. And then here's airdrop opportunity. GiveRep offers a free to join airdrop in 2025. Again, if this is anything like what we saw with Kaido, then just participating on GiveRep potentially positions you for a free airdrop in 2025, not to mention rewards for their partner programs like Double Up, Potato, and some others I'll show you. So free to join airdrop where users farm rep points that may later convert to rep tokens. So nothing public about the funding, if any, that GiveRep has received, or specifics about the airdrop, just lots of rumors. Let's go ahead and get started testing this out. So we're going to go to the website, giverep.com. First thing you're going to want to do is connect your X account. So let's go ahead and do that. So my account was already connected. Once yours is connected, you're going to click on my profile. I just set this up before shooting this video, so I don't have a reputation history yet. Hopefully I will be able to build one up over the coming weeks. We'll do an example in this video to see if I can score some points. But first of all, let's take a look around. Let's go to home. It says track engagement, earn trophies, build reputation. So identity, social reputation layer for crypto users, track engagement and build reputation on X. Trophy score, engagement score based on views, likes, retweets, and comments on your tweets. Reputation points earned when users tag at GiveRep in your tweets or through the loyalty program. And then here's the loyalty program. Join loyalty programs and tweet about them to earn rewards from your favorite crypto projects. So loyalty program are going to be Sui ecosystem projects that are offering loyalty rewards. So you can see right here, like Potato Finance. I did a video on this, as well as Moonbags and Radiant X. So we're going to test this out in a second. We'll tweet about one of them, see if we can score some points. But first, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Each mention awards reputation points to both the giver and tweet author. Users have 3 points daily to give away. Not all reputation points are equal. Mentions from influencers, shown above, are worth more points. To earn extra reputation points, tweet about projects in the loyalty list, which we're going to take a look at in a second, after joining them. Earn 1 rep point per 100 views. Okay, so these are the top influencers. That's one of the founders of Sui. That's the founder of Ica. I recognize a few others. And then you can see the leaderboard here. Let's go to mindshare. So it says tracking project engagement across all the Sui ecosystem. So these are all Sui ecosystem projects. And this shows you who currently has the top mindshare, which right now is Ica, followed by Potato, Double Up, and FlowX. But this is really cool just to get an idea of sentiment on which projects are hot currently within the Sui ecosystem. So definitely recommend checking this out at least once a week just to see what's trending. And then loyalty. So here's the loyalty program they're talking about. Join projects and earn recognition by tweeting about them. So currently here are the active programs, it looks like, and then here are the inactive programs. We'll stick with the active ones. So we'll test it out with Radiant X. I have a video and blog post on this, so I'm going to say join. Success. So join this one. It says you need a minimum of 100 followers, which again doesn't take too long on X to get up to 100. So it's nice if many people can participate in this, again, without any capital, just your time and good content. So, all right, I think I joined it. It said I joined it. Let's take a look at the leaderboard for this one. So 182 tweets, 550,000 views, 11,000 likes, and so on. This person's in first place. Estimated pay is interesting. So some sort of airdrop financial incentive for the Radiant X loyalty program. Let's take a look at Potato Finance. Join that one. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. Number of tweets, likes, replies, Potato points. So this is paying out in Potato points. They are rumored to have an upcoming airdrop as well. So that's interesting. And then one more, let's take a look at Moonbags, which is the new meme token launchpad built by Radiant X on Sui. This one's owned by Radiant X, so they're just going straight cash, it looks like, which is interesting. I would guess they pay that out probably in the form of Sui. So here's the leader. Let's take a look at their profile on Twitter. And first thing I noticed right away, they have a pinned tweet that says how many @GiveRep do you have? So tagging @GiveRep to climb the leaderboard. Comment below if you need @GiveRep, and you can see they also tagged Raiden X in this one as well as Potato Finance and everyone else. It looks like that is part of the GiveRep loyalty program. I'm just trying to get a feel for how they're structuring their X posts so that they are showing up on the leaderboard in terms of getting points for it. So it looks like they always do @GiveRep first, and then at some point they tag Raiden X and others that are in the GiveRep loyalty program. So let's test it out. We've joined the Raiden X loyalty program. Now I need to tweet about it. So I'm gonna go to story.com, which is my website. If you've not been here, I encourage you to check it out. I have a lot of content around SWE ecosystem projects as well as other things, but specifically I want to share this post that I did on Raiden X a few months ago, just showing people how to get started. Raiden X is one of the top trading bot platforms for SWE ecosystem tokens. Again, just testing this out. I'm going to use this. I don't know if it's good to put links to a website in an X post. Probably not. I don't really care. We're just testing this out. And we'll just say, I want to @GiveRep. Alright, so here's the tweet. I want to @GiveRep props to @RaidenX for building what I think is the top trading bot platform for SWE ecosystem tokens. Check out my getting started guide. Again, you don't need to link to anything. I'm just doing this to see if I get a little extra traffic to my website, and maybe that's a bad thing to link to my website. I don't know, but I think I did it right in terms of doing @GiveRep and then tagging RaidenX because we joined their loyalty program. So we'll see if this works. I'm just testing it out. So let's go ahead and say post. Okay, posted it there. Let's go back to GiveRep. I have no idea how long it takes for GiveRep to recognize that I posted on X about not only them, but also the loyalty program I joined with Raiden X. Let's go to my profile. So it still says I have no reputation history. I'm guessing since I just posted it, it takes a minute or maybe a couple hours, but I'll check back on this later today. Hopefully that will show up. Just to get an idea of how people are structuring posts on X that are working, I would recommend going to Leaderboard and just clicking on some of the leaders. Taking a look at their reputation history, take a look at what they're actually doing on X, see if you can replicate some of it for your account. But just wanted to put this in front of you. Probably noticed posts about GiveRep, people doing @GiveRep on X, and I think it's definitely something worth at least checking out because again, if it is anything like Kaido, then it definitely could be worth your time. And I came across this tweet today by Easy Eats Bodega, great follow on Twitter. He's on YouTube. He's a great resource for all things crypto, but I just stumbled upon this today as I was thinking about making a video about GiveRep. And it's not related to GiveRep, but it's related to Kaido, and the same thing applies. I get asked a lot about what people should do with little to no bankroll, especially because of volatility in new pairs, lack of opportunity in the current market. I think the clearest, most straightforward path, regardless of follower size, is Kaido. So you could say the same thing, right? Just replace Kaido with GiveRep, which is even earlier. Same kind of platforms. I have videos, threads on this, but let me reiterate, this is a few easy steps. So Kaido literally is the same steps that we just went through on GiveRep. You connect your X profile and then post good content and tag @Kaido, and in this case @GiveRep. And there still is a ton of opportunity right now by joining Kaido and doing what he says in this post. So I'll link this as well in the video description. If nothing else, definitely bookmark this mindshare page just to get an idea of what is hot in the SWE ecosystem. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you in the next one.